I'll be taking help of the two very renowned websites. So today I'm going to discuss diabetes in dogs. Let's begin. Hi there. So today we'll discuss diabetes in dogs. First, causes and symptoms. You must have heard of adult dog. A house-trained dog suddenly started peeing here and there. He may pee on your sofa, on your furniture, on your bed, everywhere. What is wrong? Or you may have heard of a dog who all of a sudden starts drinking lots of water and also pees here and there. Or of a dog, of an adult dog, who have become a little slower than his usual other dogs at his age. So these might be a symptom of diabetes. To understand the matter fully, let's get to know the subject very well. So we'll discuss diabetes in dog causes and symptoms. So we are taking the help of Purina, a well-known food company, and we are seeing their website. As it says, diabetes is a complex disease that most often develops in older dogs. However, with careful management, this condition doesn't need to be affect their quality of life. So what is diabetes in dogs? Dog diabetes or canine diabetes is caused by either a lack of insulin in your dog's body or an inadequate biological response to it. When your dog eats, the food is broken down. One of the components of the food is glucose, as it is same for ours too, and that glucose is digested or taken care of by insulin. If your dog's body do not produce enough insulin themselves, then what will happen? That glucose will run in the body or blood of your dog. So glucose level will be higher, and that may show symptoms of diabetes. That is called diabetes. So blood sugar level will rise obviously, and this can lead to various side effects. So what causes diabetes in dogs? Just like in human, it isn't completely certain why some dogs develop diabetes. There may be genetic cause, or your dog may be overweight, or maybe your dog's body has become resistant to insulin. But it is certain, generally an adult dog at its senior years develops the disease, diabetes. As per my experience, I can say it develops around the age of 7, and on average, in case of Labradors or German Shepherds or Malinois and many other dogs, around the age of 7, 5 to 7, or after 7, they develop the disease. Female dogs and neutered dogs are also maybe more at risk. So what are the symptoms of diabetes in dogs? As I have told you, There will be excessive thirst. Dog may want to drink more and more water. There will be increase in urination, more frequent peeing, uncontrolled peeing here and there. A very well mannered, well trained, house trained dogs may pee here and there. Unexplained weight loss, it is same as in case of human. Appetite changes, that is, your dog will be more hungry. And sweet smelling breath, the breath will be sweeter smelling. Also the smell of the pee, if your dog pees here and there, then you will smell that also, and it will always also of sweet smell. There will be lack of energy. There may be exercise intolerance. Suppose you take your dog for a walk. Your dog will sit just after going a little further. That can happen. This can lead to, or maybe cause of this is urinary tract infection. Yeah, symptoms is there is invariably, I have seen, there is invariably loss of eyesight. For us human, only at a very later stage or late stage there is loss of vision in case of human. But in case of dogs, this happens only after a few months of developing diabetes. This is very unfortunate, but it happens that way for dogs, for our pets. So their early sign is loss of vision. Diagnosis, as we all know, is very easy. It may be the blood examination, blood test. You can do it in your home also with the usual blood sugar meter or something. But better to be done in laboratory, because dog's blood is a little thicker. So is there a cure for dog diabetes? Unfortunately, there is no cure of diabetes in dogs. However, dog diabetes is a condition that can usually be easily managed by the owner. So how can we manage the dog diabetes? Regular insulin shots. There is tuberculin needles are available in market, very thin syringes are available. You take 1000 or whatever may be the dose, international units of insulin, and inject. You can easily inject it in your dog's body. That is very easy to be done. You can do it twice a day. And monitoring your dog for changes in their symptom after injecting that insulin. Regular checkups with the vet. And also, there are diabetic management diets available. From Purina also is there, and from Royal Canin is also there. So whatever it suits you, suits your pocket, you can do it. Later in this video, I will discuss about what are the homemade diets you can give to your dog for diabetes management. So how can I prevent my dogs developing diabetes? So there is no, since it is still no guarantee, because certain dogs develop diabetes, some dogs never develop diabetes. Still you can do this common condition, that is feeding them a complete and balanced diet, helping them retain an ideal body condition. That is, overweight, of course, is dog obesity is really a problem. It makes your dogs more succumbed or more prone to arthritis, and joint problems is there. There may be breathing problem, there may be heart problem, and certainly there may be diabetes. getting enough exercise for their age and food intake. That you have to lower the carbohydrate, carb intake or food intake as per their age, and also you have to exercise more your dogs. If your dog has diabetes, they will be more prone to some other condition. This is the same thing, which it lowers down the immunity of your dog. If it lowers down the immunity, then your dog will be more prone to other diseases. The wound may heal a little slower, and your dog may become, I think, if they are suffering for fever, the fever will last a little longer. And also for vets, also things become very difficult because they have to take care that certain drug don't affect don't worsen the condition of the diabetes. So things will be a little bit different. Now let's go for home management of your diabetic dogs. Article here of WebMD. Here it says that diabetic dogs tips to manage his weight, his diet. So your dog has diabetes. Take a deep breath. With good care, your companion can lead a long, healthy life. So our approach should be to keep the blood sugar level as close to normal as possible. This helps your dog feel good and make it less likely he will get diabetic related complications such as cataract or urinary tract infection. So what we can do? Here are some tips. Stir a tablespoon of canned food into his regular food. Scatter shredded chicken or scrambled eggs into kibble. Add a tablespoon of low sodium chicken broth to dry food. These are some of the things you can do for your dogs. And there will be, since your dog is diabetic, your dog will be more frequently hungry, so your dog may be needing treats between the meals also, because their appetite will become depraved or irregular, or there will be more appetite. Treats between the meals are okay as long as they are low in sugar and carbohydrates. Avoid snacks that list syrup, molasses, fructose, dextrose, maltose, or any kind of sugar. You have to read the ingredient labels on the packet. Homemade dehydrated meats, carrots, snaps, peas, and even canned pumpkins are good option. So dehydrated meat you can give, carrots are there, peas also there. But carrots should be in lesser quantity. Pumpkins, according to my experience, is very good option. Sometimes it lowers the blood sugar level naturally. Timing is everything. Balancing insulin and food is likely a relay race. The body constantly processes food and insulin between the meals and injection. So most dog do best on a regular schedule of 2 to 3 meals a day. As a general rule, injection should be given every 12 hours. Talk to your vet about getting your dogs on the right kind of schedule. Walk the dog. Regular exercise will help your pooches or dogs lose weight and lower blood sugar level. It is best to have your dog exercise for the same length of time and the same intensity every day. An unusually long or vigorous workout could cause blood sugar level to drop too low and your dog may become unconscious. So mind that. Caring for a dog with diabetes can be hard at first, but soon the changes will become part of their daily life and your daily life too. This extra care and attention will certainly lengthen their life, of course. So this is it. Hope you liked my video. More such video you are likely to see in future, and certainly all these videos, pet health related videos, will have my own opinions, which you may use it or may not use it, whatever you like. Thank you.